Hello everyone, this is the second part of the SK strategy. In the previous video we learned the basics, so let's get into more details. It is common to have so many pullbacks or retests, and we refer to them as short-term reversals in price movement within an overall trend. I've written down the rules here that we discussed in the previous video, and I've drawn an example of an uptrend right here with so many pullbacks. Now, the first thing we need to identify our key areas. So we have our point 0, point A, B, and C. And I'm shading this area because this is yet to be formed. And to confirm our entry, we agreed that we draw Fibonacci from point 0 to point A. And we can see here, price reached to our golden zone, so we can place a buy position from this area. So I'll highlight this also. And as for the take profits, we draw Fibo extension from point 0, A and B. And this is our take profit area. Now, let's say we've entered the trade. As we can see, also B did not cross point 0, so we're okay to enter the trade from here. And when price goes above and breaks point A, then this is another confirmation that this setup is valid. Now, in case we see a pullback, just like here, and we want to see if there's another chance for us to enter a buy position, we can draw Fibonacci retracement from point B, from point B to the latest swing high. In this scenario, we have this swing high right here. And again, price reached our golden zone, so we can go for another buy position from this area. So I'm going to highlight it also. And we have entered the second time, and we saw price broke above this recent high and gave us another high and gave us another swing high, and we saw another pullback. So we want to confirm again if we can enter for the third time. We can just draw Fibo again from point B to the latest swing high. Now, in this scenario, the third pullback didn't give us a chance to enter for the third time because the pullback was above our golden area. Now, as for the take profit, we can put the same for both. Okay? Now, let's take an example for a down movement. We have a downtrend here, and we can identify our key areas. This is our point 0, A and B and C. And I'm shading this area because this is yet to be formed, okay? And we agreed we draw Fibo from point 0 to A. And we can see here price reached our golden zone, so we can place a sell position. Once we have entered the trade and we saw price broke above point A, which means that we have a valid setup. And if we see a pullback and we want to check if there's a chance for us to enter, we can draw Fibo from point B, not point 0, from point B to the latest swing low, which is this one right here. And we can see that price reached also our golden zone, so we can place a second sell position. As for the take profits, we can draw Fibo extension from point 0 to A and B. And this golden area will be our take profit area. And we can see there's a third pullback, and if we want to check if there's a chance for us to enter, we can also draw Fibo. We can draw Fibo again from point B to the latest swing low. In this scenario, our pullback was below our golden zone, so we can't enter for the third time. And as for the take profit for both sell trades, they will remain the same, which is this area that we highlighted right here. So now let's take some chart examples. I'm at gold 1 hour time frame, and I've identified my point 0, which is this one, and then my point A and my point B. And to confirm my entry, I've drawn FIBO from point 0 to A. And we can see here, price reached our golden zone, so we can place a sell trade. As for the take profit, we can draw FIBO from point 0 to A and B. And this is our take profit area, which is point C. Now let's fast forward time. There was a huge pullback here in gold, and usually gold has deeper pullbacks, but as long as it didn't break point 0, then this setup is valid. And the second confirmation is when price breaks below point A, then this setup is valid. We can see here price is trying to pull back, and we can draw FIBO to confirm if there's a second chance for us to enter the sell trade. So we can drag FIBO from point B, this is our point B, to the latest swing low. Price reached our golden zone for the second time, and finally it has reached our take profit area. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. I will be finalizing the SK strategy in the next video. Until then, trade wisely.